Welcome back to today's channel. This is TiBAO Auto Parts. Today, I would like to introduce complete control arm set for Mercedes W222. No matter if your vehicle is two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, we've got you covered today. High-quality control arms where core craftsmanship defines performance and durability. At the ball joint area, we start with hard forging to ensure fundamental strength, and then apply professional hardening treatment, and finally perform a precision machining for accurate dimensions. With this production process, the ball joint achieves excellent hardness and wear resistance, capable of withstanding complex stresses of long-term driving. For the key stress bearing and moving section of the control arms, the bushing uses high-quality neoprene rubbers which won't crack even under extreme temperatures. The head of the ball joint adopts a riveted sealing process. It provides a better sealing to block water intrusion and corrosions. The sleeves are made of natural rubber, highly resistant to maintain elasticity over the time to reduce the vibration and the noise. TiBAO always supports high-quality standards, delivering more reliable and durable parts for the global B2B customers. If you are interested in this video, please contact us at any time.